And trouble is continuing to mount for Shilpa Shetty and her husband Raj Kundra in the porn scandal case. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, the SEBI, has slapped a penalty of 3 lakh rupees on the couple and their firm Vian Industries for insider trading violations. SEBI had conducted investigations into trading transactions that took place between September 1st, 2013 and December 23rd, 2015. The investigation has pointed to alleged preferential allotment of 5 lakh shares, out of which 1.28 lakh shares were allotted to Shilpa and Raj Kundra each. The probe alleges non-disclosure of transactions worth 10 lakh rupees and that the stock exchange was not informed within 2 trading days, as is the norm. Meanwhile, there's been no respite for Raj Kundra. The Mumbai Magistrate Court yesterday rejected his bail plea. This even as more people have come out and are speaking out against Kundra's app Hotshots and his associates in the porn scandal.
Raj Kundra's troubles are never ending. On Wednesday, a Mumbai court rejected Kundra's bail plea in the porn racket case. Mumbai police opposed the celebrity's bail plea, saying he would use his influence to tamper with the evidence. Kundra's aide, Ryan Thorpe, who was the IT head of the company, also got no relief from the court.
आज राज कुंद्रा और रायन की जमानत अर्जी पर सुनवाई थी। दोनों अर्जी पर सुनवाई हुई और इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है। इसी की वजह से दोनों की अर्जी अदालत ने खारिज की है।
Adding to Kundra's trouble was a fresh FIR in the porn scandal case. The FIR was registered at the Malwani police station on a model's complaint. She complained that she was promised a break in a big-budget Bollywood film, but instead was made to act in adult films. The latest FIR doesn't involve Kundra directly, but names the app owned by him, Hotshots. It names another actor, Gehna Vashisht, and 4 producers of the Hotshot app owned by Raj Kundra. Gehna has already been summoned by the crime branch but has sought time citing health reasons. As the probe widens, more voices are emerging to nail Raj Kundra and his associates who have been at the center of this explosive porn ring. The case will now be taken over by the Mumbai crime branch. Bureau Report, India Today.
Now, India Today has accessed adult film star Sherlyn Chopra's statement that's been given to the Mumbai police earlier this year, in which she alleged that Kundra had requested her to shoot a video for his app Hotshots.
Adult film star Sherlyn Chopra has exposed Raj Kundra's dirty picture. Sherlyn has made sensational revelations about Kundra's Hotshot app and his porn filmmaking business. India Today has accessed Sherlyn's statement to the Mumbai Cyber Police that she recorded in March this year. Sherlyn Chopra claims that Raj Kundra requested her to shoot for a video to be streamed on his porn app Hotshot, but she refused because she found the content on the app to be sleazy and downmarket. Sherlyn says she signed a contract with Kundra's firm Arms Prime in 2019 to monetize the adult content she shared online. One of the videos she shot under this contract was titled Chocolate, which is now under investigation. She alleges that the video was shot at an Andheri hotel and that she would have heated arguments with the creative head, who asked her to lower her inhibitions and pose like Hollywood models. Sherlyn Chopra did not renew her contract with Hotshots as she fell out with Kundra over the 50-50 revenue sharing model. The adult star claims that despite her demand for her videos be deleted after the end of agreement, the content is still available online. Mumbai Crime Branch is yet to record Sherlyn Chopra's statement, who also has alleged that Kundra forced her into the porn industry. With Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.